representing Matt Rowan Mixed Martial Arts. We weigh in at 70 kilos. Afraid Thailand.
Let's go, M. There. Go, let's go. Nice one. Very good. Nice, nice. Very good. Let's go. M, pag nag-go ka, sundan mo ng leg kick. Ha? Let's go. Let's go. Clench lang, clench. Yan, hawak lang. Sige. Huwag kang... Gamitin mo yung range mo. Very good. Clench lang, clench. Knee. Tuhod. Very good. Very good. Ito pa. Good pa. Okay. Tuhod. Very good. Combination. Let's go. Na, tuhod. Sipa, M, sipa. M, may pagod na yung kalaban mo, M. Pagod na yan. Puso na lang yan. Mas madiskarte ka dyan. M. Pagod na yan, M. Pagod na. Pagod na yan, M. Pagod na. Bench. Knee. Good. Very good. Ay, no. Puro forward lang yan. Hindi yan umi-score. Kaya, saan mo na tumutang tuhod? M. Let's go, M. Let's go. Yan, sige. Bang! 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 Set up naman sa, sa ulo. High kick naman, M. Minsan, high kick. Set up, M. Set up. Let's, M. Let's go. Let's go. Boom! Let's, M. Let's go. Nice. Nice one. Yan. Last round, M, ha. Sundot lang ito. Very good. Sige, tuhod lang. Very good. Pa. Tuhod, M. Yan. Pa. Let's go. Go, M. Tuhod lang sa katawan. Sige. Tuhod. Yan. Pa. Go. Very good. Go. Very good. Nice. Papaski pa. Very good. Ayan, pin mo sa fence, tapos magli ka. Very good. Pin mo. Reverse mo. Reverse mo sa fence. M, reverse mo. Go! Let's go! Tuhod! M, tuhod! Go, let's go! Konti mo lang!
Balagbagin mo na, M! Tagtarin mo!
Tagtarin mo na! Bang! Tutok mo, M! Sige. Ayan, marami yung tuhod mo dyan. Let's go. Okay, tuhod lang. M, tuhod, takot na rin. Tuhod. Very good, very good.
The third winner by split decision. Out of the red corner,